Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy tuna salad. First, let's gather our core ingredients. Start with 2 cans of tuna, packed in water, for a lighter option. For the creamy base, opt for about 1/4 cup of light mayonnaise or plain Greek yogurt. Then, prepare your vegetables. Finely dice 1 stalk of celery and about 1/4 of a small red onion. These simple choices lay the foundation for a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, let's elevate the flavor without adding unnecessary calories. Fresh herbs are key. Chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill or parsley to mix in. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, roughly 1 tablespoon, will add a wonderful brightness and a zesty tang. Finally, season your salad with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. These natural additions make a big difference. Preparing your tuna salad is incredibly straightforward. Begin by thoroughly draining the 2 cans of tuna to remove any excess water. Next, transfer the drained tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl and use a fork to flake it apart. Once flaked, add your light mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, diced celery, red onion, fresh herbs, and lemon juice. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are well combined and evenly distributed. Your healthy tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. There are many delicious ways to serve it. Try it on 2 slices of whole wheat bread for a classic sandwich, or use crisp lettuce leaves for a lighter, low-carb wrap. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For an extra boost of healthy fats, consider mixing in about 1/4 cup of chopped avocado just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.